Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert a bar chart on your Canva mobile, first open a design, then click on the elements section. And now we just scroll down and you can find a chart option on the section here. Just swipe down and you can find option called charts. If you can't find, you can just also search the elements. Click on the see all option. Now you can see the first option, a bar chart. You can just also search the chart by clicking on the bar chart by searching here on the search option. Okay, so now I just enter into the bar chart. You can find different type of bar charts here. You can just choose any bar chart. I just go with the first chart as I think. Now you can find the data on the bottom section. Here you can change the data like item 1 cs2 and like that. You can just add data. If you have any Google sheet directly, you can just add it, or you can just change the value here. Just swipe up and you can just find example here. I'm just going to change this value to 70, and you can see the changes will be updated on the chart directly. You can see its changes. So and also after changing the data, just close it and you can just customize the colors directly by using these options. You can see how it's look like, and then just close it and you can just have a lot of more options. If you click this, you can just have the edit options like sales and settings of table, label and stock details and everything. So this is how you just create a bar chart on your Canva mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful